IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. In the words of Freddie Mercury, it finally happened. It finally happened. It finally happened. We're slightly mad. Yes, this whole place has gone berserk. Now we're under threat from Malabar Hill police cops, whatever the hell they're called. Arguably the most dangerous people in the world right now, in the area that I live in, who are chasing us if we have little dogs or old people walking and screaming and shouting and almost abusing, well, sort of abusing as well, actually, if I look at the text of what they said. The word stupid was used, for example. My point is, it started again. We can't do anything, and now they're terrorizing us. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, we are stuck with anxiety, fear, pain, angst, loss of earnings, old relatives, young kids, all on top of your head. And after all that, you take your dog for a walk for 3 buildings, and a 16-year-old kid from my lane was taken into the station. He was pushed into the van. Well, to be honest, his dog jumped into the car because he loves cars. So he's 50% to blame. Let's be honest about that point. And then after which they took him in and made him, sit there for 5 minutes till his dad came and screamed at them and took him back. There was no point. There was no fine. There was nothing. In fact, nobody said anything to him once he reached there. The dog chased 5 cats. Malbahil police station went berserk because those cats belong to the station. And so then the case would have been filed against the dog, against the cats. So that would have been another issue altogether. All I'm saying is, can somebody teach our policemen how to talk? I've seen them screaming at an 80-year-old man who lives in my lane who's going for a walk 4 buildings away. And they're telling him things like, "Aapko acha nahi lagega? Andar dalega. He doesn't know where to talk. You don't talk to old people like that. They're not gangsters. They're not terrorists. They're not evil criminals. They're all stuck in this stupid pandemic. Have some sensitivity. For this training, I'm willing to come to Malabar Hill and train them with Amit, Silvery, and Sid. You live too far away, so we'll let you off the hook on this one.
Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, struggling with too many obstacles, don't know where your life is headed? Well, if you are dealing with one or all of these, tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast, because in each episode, I share a life lesson, a life hack, a pro tip that can help you get your life back on track. All episodes are available on the IBM website, IBM Podcast app, or wherever it is that you get your podcast from.
All right, let's start our show. Cock and Bull, Monday morning, still in the
What just happened?
Cyrus, we just lost your audio.
We can't hear you, Cyrus. And you can't hear us either. Clearly.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
I can hear you. This may be an act of the police. They may have picked up on our lives.
Yes.
See, this is the kind of fascist fear that we are under right now, ladies and gentlemen. I wish I was in North Korea, so I know for sure this is what's going on. Now we still have hope that it's a democracy. All right. All those who want to talk to our correspondent in Calcutta who said it's a dogfight and that Bengal will go down to the last over and anyone can win, but slight edge to TMC, well, I got to tell you, the figures don't sound like a real fight. It was a bit of a beating. Sorry to say.
Yeah, it was.
And nobody called it. Everybody called it as really close, and maybe BJP will upset the apple cart and all that. But let me tell you about Bengal. You cannot go to Bengal, a very, very strong culture, and speak in Hindi. You're wasting your time. You make as many speeches as you want, but Bengali language is so strong that you're rejected immediately. I think that was a big mistake. And I think what you guys have not realized is one video changed the game. The one where she picks up the football from her chair, injured leg and all, and throws it. Because Bengalis love football.
Yeah.
Not once did Amit Shah or Narendra Modi mention football. Not once. And I'm telling you, you don't need to be a Prashant Kishore. People like me can also help. We have a certain understanding of the science of polity. Any comments from the august bunch of people who are not interested?
No, I mean, it was a interesting outcome. It is I don't know what it says, because a lot of it happened pre-pandemic. So I mean, I don't know that it has anything to say about the surge, the second surge, and the handling of the second surge itself, right? But at the same time, it's clear that people in Bengal like Mamata.
But what a big victory at the end!
Huge.
Do you think this makes a difference in the rest of the country? Say 2024, you think it makes a difference?
It's too early to call.
So there is I saw a great quote by our Prime Minister that what Bengal starts, the rest of India follows. The Prime Minister himself made this quote before the elections.
Oh.
So yeah, we hope that's true.
That's going to come back to haunt. Ow. Wow.
Yeah, it was a interesting, but I don't think so. I don't think it does. I think it's a
No, I
unique.
think it's a
All states
it's
are
a time
different.
phenomenon in the world, not just India. Nothing lasts for long now, so you can't connect things from 3 days ago to 3 days later.
Yeah.
So quite frankly, 24 is too far to call. Who knows? Pandemic may go, maybe
And also,
worse.
there's no opposition. Like, there is nobody to
No
stand.
central opposition in that
Yeah.
sense. A coalition that we keep thinking of
Yeah.
still not turned up. And yeah, but the 5, 6 states are quite strong now that are anti-BJP, and they're all powerful ones like Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Punjab. I think Telangana, Orissa, and Maharashtra is an odd one because they won the election but are not in power. So that honestly, that's a Chanakya moment. That is, how do you explain that to a kid who's 5? How do you explain it? But they got more votes. They clearly won everything and all that. But no,
Because
they're not in
Sharad
power.
Pawar happened. That's
Oh, wow.
exception.
No, but that's actually an interesting way of looking at it, right? I mean, like if you look at most of these the states that Cyrus mentioned, they all have extremely strong local figures, right?
Hmm.
Like seriously strong local figures. Like Mamta is a national figure, Sharad Pawar is a national figure,
Yeah.
Amrinder is a national figure. I mean, like these are all very, very powerful. The political. What was the word that used to be
And
used?
and
Satraps or something like
I
that.
feel, Amit, to enter their culture, their subculture rather,
Yeah.
is not
Yeah.
easy for the outsider. Where, like a Delhi, Bombay, which is all mixed up anyway. So we don't have a strong ethnic footprint, no matter what they say about Maratha lobby and this lobby. But there, it's really tough for
Yeah.
you to come out, from Gujarat or from, the East or wherever, and then try and overtake and overhaul a system which is very strong in the sense of their partisan politics that they have.
That's why. But UP is going to be still like very interesting next year to watch.
UP is a whole different ball game which no one can understand honestly. And but you think they can Yogi will lose?
I think it'll be dirty. I don't. It'll be very tough for Yogi to lose, and it'll be very.
So
dirty.
here's the thing, though. I mean, like the anger that you're seeing from UP, right? And in the sense of when it comes to the handling of things, right? UP is probably one of the worst placed states right now from a health infrastructure perspective,
And the numbers are
people.
growing, really
And
growing.
dude, I mean, like I've seen 3 videos of like crying relatives, articulate crying relatives outside hospitals.
Yeah.
I mean, like just talking about like, we've been waiting here for like 2 hours. There's no oxygen. There's no this. Our hospitals are not admitting because we have no beds. And my mother was lying in the hospital, outside the hospital for an hour, and she died. I mean, like you're seeing all these kinds of videos. It's gonna have an
It's an
effect. I
ugly
can't
thing
see
to
The
that.
say.
positive.
Yeah, go on.
No, the
Sorry.
positive is that whole of UP will be in jail on NSA that Aditya will put on him. So he'll definitely win because there'll be 2 people
That
voting.
is
Yeah, but
all.
also let's not forget that Uttarakhand's Kumbh Mela, which is a sister state, and it spills over to that whole cowbelt area
Yeah.
because those devotees mostly come from MP or to Uttarakhand and all the states in between. That ramifications of that, because we are concentrating. Again, it's an ugly sentence, but we're concentrating on Mumbai, Delhi a lot, the glamour cities, and they get a
Yeah.
lot of pound of media if you look at it. And while you're saying that, the other lesser known devils or lesser known cities, rather, devils is a bad word to use, are going under the radar. But now suddenly the radar is coming onto them and we're getting a little more worried because it's such a huge country. So
Yeah.
it's far more than Mumbai and Delhi and our local issues now.
So the thing is that what is kind of amazing, right, is that Bombay and Delhi are struggling the way they are because they're populous cities with large population, with large numbers of people, but they're also pretty much the best healthcare.
Yeah.
The areas with the best healthcare infrastructure, and still the kind of struggles that you've seen in Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore around this kind of stuff, right? It's really
But look at
kind
it the
of
other way. If we are struggling, the A
what's
grade
happening
cities,
there.
without being,
What's
romantical about
happening
it,
there?
what's happening
Exactly.
to the B and the C and the D and the names of cities that you don't
And
know in India?
exactly
How are
what's
they going to
happening over
cope when they have
there?
just one hospital with 3 people and no cylinders and blah, blah, blah?
Also,
Yeah.
UP with the whole village election thing has also gone. They are basically predicting that it's going to be terrible because they've had some panchayat elections in
Where people
different
have
villages.
congested everywhere.
Yeah, and with Kumbh Mela returnees, so everything's getting mixed up.
Yeah. And how sad and ironic that it's actually very close to the English word yippee, which is a celebratory word, UP, yippee, and it's so close. You say it slightly wrong, and boom, it goes there. And this is, yeah. So
Yeah,
I'm worried
man.
about the ticking time bomb of India, which is not the big cities, as everyone is concentrating on, not the 4, 5 metros, but much more and beyond. who seem to have escaped the wrath of pandemic so far.
Let's also be honest here, right? I mean, like the people in cities have access to media in a way that somebody who is in some, small city in UP, right? Like Meerut is one of the places I saw the videos from, right? And I mean, like there are no reporters floating around Meerut outside of Barkhadat, right? There's nobody reporting
Because
from
she's not
there.
allowed in Delhi.
Well,
That's a reason for that. Yeah.
no, but she's pretty much the only national level reporter that's kind of gone
But
place to
see,
place to
Amit,
place, right?
this brings us back to page three culture. Even if you're dying in a fucking pandemic, it's still a page three culture all over the world. What's glamorous, what's interesting, what's newsworthy. I hear it in the channel. I wish I would write down what people say. It's really awkward to hear these things.
Yeah.
It's always about Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, whatever. And the smaller cities, then they'll go to a small town for an exclusive story, which is the paradox of this, just to show. But you're right, nobody's covering the length and breadth of the country except our intrepid reporter, Basanti. She alone has gone through on one foot. She went to Nandigram, where the great Mamata Banerjee actually perhaps maybe have lost. But now that she's won the entire thing, they're going to file a court case. And ladies and gentlemen, to the victor belongs the spoils. Yeah. God, the best part is, guys, guess how they celebrated? They were told muted celebrations, please, for all 5 states. And the first thing, the BJP office was burnt down.
What?
What?
They burnt down the BJP office.
Where in
Where are
Calcutta?
you living, bro?
I didn't hear this.
This is better than cricket for me. This is the ridiculousness of being an Indian.
They did this in Calcutta. They burned down the BJP office.
shit.
Yes,
Oh, shit.
immediately while they were counting. Once it was well over 200 and the BJP were going
Why
down from
kick
88.
them when they're down? I mean, like, shouldn't you smile at them and be nice to them?
Amit.
It's so much more satisfying to to be
He stood up.
sarcastic and to be shirty to somebody rather than to burn their offices down.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
so dumb.
Yeah.
Okay, so Arambagh. So it's not exactly the central office or whatever. Possibly, I'm not sure. But the fact of the matter is,
Oh man.
this is India. This is
This
where
is
our
India.
third worldness is very strong. You're expecting decorum. You're talking about civility and decency. Have you heard the speeches? Have you heard them speak? Don't just think of Mamata firebrand or Narendra Modi firebrand. Think of the lower rank, the rank and file. I mean, they're completely polarized, aggressive, abusive. The works.
Yeah,
Dude,
this is all the groundwork which we never see. We just see
Yeah.
See, if
I want to be
if-
one of those groundwork guys, because you get to do all this rubbish. अबे आप देखो अभी वो रसगुल्ला cancel करो, party वाटी बंद करो, दारू बारू कुछ नहीं पिलाओ, but जला दो.
Yes, but
Cyrus Karyakarta. I want to see Cyrus as a Karyakarta.
Karyakarta, yeah. Oh, except for the walking, huh?
The absurdity
Apparently
of
they
this
don't get
stuff
cars.
is-
Sorry, yeah.
Now, the absurdity of this stuff is insane, right? I mean, like Samit Basu, I think he's been on your show a couple of months ago, and he had a really funny tweet a day ago or so that basically, in the middle of pandemic, we have an election with election rallies, and the ruling party loses in the way that they do, and basically, magical realism is not really, can't compete with India's reality. And I mean, like, you throw this in there.
It's all perspective. You see, instead of concentrating on the Kumbh and the election rallies and the people gathering together in panchayat village elections, as he's pointed out, we go after dog walkers who are alone in any case 3 buildings from where they are, or an old man walking at 6:30 in the morning because he's just completely paranoid with fear and doesn't know what else to do with his life, living alone. He's a widower. I mean, that's where the great Vallabhbhai police have done their Padma Bhushan winning work, as far as I'm concerned. And the rest of India is just, and nobody's really the whole Kumbh. Imagine what the world is thinking of us. While they want to help us and all. Just imagine, what do we say? How can you go to the United Nations and how would I defend it if I was the diplomat out there for India? If I was Shashi Tharoor erstwhile,
You won't go to.
what would you say? Tell me. What
You
would you say
won't
to
go.
the?
I would just not go to the UN and be just right now. Our best defense is to just avoid that any.
I'll
that
tell you
there's
what
any
you'll do.
problem.
What you'll do is quietly walk to Bangladesh side and stand there. Because right now the United Nations being a Bangladeshi is a far better option than being an Indian. Yeah, it's just. Yeah,
No, I mean, like, it's just, I mean, like, the incompetence around all of it is so staggering, right? It's just like, you know what I enjoy watching on television these days? I like watching, like, shows which are about people who know what they're doing. because it just feels like such a contrast to the real world.
Animal Planet then?
No, I mean, like,
where
shows
are
like
you?
shows like The West Wing, shows like
Oh, you're talking about fiction, yeah. Huh.
yeah, I mean, I'm talking about fiction only, but I mean, like, that's what you feel like watching right now.
Watch Laugh Out
because-
Loud.
Oh,
Everybody knows what they're doing.
oh,
It's a
Laugh Out
fabulous
Loud.
show
What
on
is Laugh
Amazon.
Out Loud?
Hase ya
It's a
Fase
great new
or-
show. Yeah, great new show on
Which
Amazon.
one is that? Where is that show? Where have you?
It's on
have you-
Amazon. No need to plug it because I've done 40 interviews. I don't want to plug it
But
in.
that's okay. You should plug it on your own show now.
You think?
Yeah, you should.
They'll
At least
reject me
once.
if they watch it.
Can I? I was actually going to say that we should try and get a bunch of those people and try
We
and
can,
get them on.
Yeah,
and-
we
Suresh wanted to
have,
come on. Ankita
yeah,
wanted
we
to come
should-
on.
yeah, we
Arati
should get
Mittal is
them
already
all.
scheduled for this month.
Yeah,
Great.
we should get.
But they
we
all
should
want
get-
to. Yeah, but they'll come on. They'll
Yeah,
come
we
on.
should get them all. We should get. Yeah, because
They're all desperate for publicity and work and all. They said fine.
and apparently you guys didn't spend enough time with each other, so I think that will also be good.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have any bad stories to tell you. Nobody
Yeah.
irritated me enough. I mean,
Yeah.
the technical
Her
team.
second season, Cyrus.
The catering was horrible as usual. Nothing ever changes. As I
Oh.
mentioned 200 times, you order a pizza, it comes after 3 hours. I don't get that. I know it was
Okay.
still the pandemic, but hey.
So
Otherwise,
I actually I did see the whole thing, right? I watched the whole thing this weekend, and yeah, it was pretty funny. I mean, like, I was I mean, like, I told you this beforehand, right? I didn't expect to like
you
it.
didn't throw up. Our standards are very
No,
low. You
I
didn't
didn't
throw up,
expect to
then it's
like
okay.
I didn't expect to enjoy it, right? I thought when I was watching it, this doesn't seem like a premise that's going to appeal to me.
I
and
would not
this-
sell it to Amit Doshi, honestly.
Yeah.
I would not think it's your sensibilities from any angle. But there are moments which you could bear, but to sit through 6 without stopping and there's no sex, I mean, it makes
But
no
see,
sense.
that's just it, right? So it was 3 hours, right? So I mean, like, basically, I started at
It's
like
only
4 or
22
5
minutes an episode. How much is that?
It was less than 3 hours, yeah.
2.5
So, I mean, like,
hours max.
yeah, so I started at like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. I was done by 5:30 or so. And I mean, like, it wasn't like, yeah, if you asked me to spend like days and days on it, I might have struggled a little bit. But it was a couple hours.
No, but even the
and,
yeah, sorry.
no, and also I knew a bunch of you, right? I know you, I know Suresh, I know Adar fairly well. I know Aditi, I know Malika, I know Gaurav. So I mean, I know enough of you people in the house that it was kind of fun for me to see how each of you were interacting with each other. Like, I thought Malika was hilarious in there, right? When she started doing her American accent, I just I couldn't stop at that point. And then others started building on top of that, right? And that piece I thought was really funny.
Yeah, but that piece was slightly more your sensibilities. But there was plenty that, whatever, that's not.
Yeah, I even liked that guy,
aspersions.
Akash Gupta, and his
The car thing.
gag.
Yeah, the
his
car gag was very funny, yeah.
It got killed, I think, because of the buzzer going in the
Yeah,
middle of it. But
because,
I'm sure he
he
would have
was-
cracked somebody if he would have brought
Finished
in
it.
the bumper at, like,
Yeah,
in the middle of the actual thing instead of in the break. I'm sure he would have cracked somebody at that point.
yeah, true. I agree.
Yeah. But although when you're conscious, I'm telling you honestly, it's a little easier when you're conscious. If you tell yourself not to laugh, it's when you're slightly off your guard. That's the problem. But of course, it's not as easy as you think. I can tell you that. Not laughing. God, yeah. Because you don't have to laugh out of laughter. You laugh out of derision. You laugh out of rejection. You laugh out of nervousness. It's not just the, oh God, he's so funny.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was good. It was decent, man. It was a fun afternoon to watch. Like, light watch kind of
But
thing.
even
It's
in
fun.
the Mexican and Australian versions,
Oh.
yeah, it's a mix. There's really loud stuff. There's a little more subtle stuff. There's crap happening in the background which you may not even pick up if you don't really pay attention. So I think the same thing worked in India. It was a bit of that. So let's see. Dudeja hasn't watched it. He has no respect for older comics.
No,
He has no idea who Grover is. If you say Gaurav Gera's name, he walks out of the room. And Malika Dua is just not his cup of tea. He doesn't like anybody with a Dali accent. Is that right?
no, I'll watch it today.
CC bastard. Don't worry, I haven't watched it either.
Okay.
But that's also because the IPL is on in the evening. And
Yeah, that's the
like,
more. And
how
then
much to
there's.
watch?
I saw Formula One also yesterday. So
There you go. And I've got Larry Wheels. I'm watching every day to improve my powerlifting. He's a phenomenon.
Oh,
Check
yeah.
him out.
Okay.
Get LOL.
I saw the Sixers beat the Spurs in overtime.
There you go.
this
So we all
morning.
got our own priorities,
There we go.
except bloody this boy in Powai.
No,
Now that
I-
he can't
I-
meet his
I saw the Man United versus Liverpool match get cancelled.
cancelled.
yesterday.
Yeah.
That happened.
what is happening? I have no idea.
It's after this whole this Super League that nearly happened, and the Glazer family is already hated of Man U for all their decisions, etc. We won't get into all that. But so they stormed the pitch. They behave like Indians.
Like
And I
1,000
saw
people stormed.
1,000 people. They're
Yeah.
all Caucasian. Norwegians. There was no Indian amongst them. So obviously they took a class from somebody in India, and YouTube class, because we spread this striking force.
From Bengal.
And even the caption sounded, because the caption sounded very much Indian. There was no creativity. There was like F you, man you, and all that. I was like, wow, you sat there with a paper and you came up with this. I mean, what 3-year-old did that? So that's the football.
So what is the problem with the Glazer brothers? They're the casino owners from the US, right?
Yeah. So it all, the catalyst to all this is that Super League thing where they initially signed and all that, betrayed the supporter who owns the club. I don't know, in India we feel like that. I don't think we do. Do you feel you own the Congress party if you're a member? Or nobody's a member of Congress party now?
I don't think we own Mumbai Indians.
Exactly. Oh yeah, you dare. Hello, sir, I just want to make a change. Pollard at 4, please, front tomorrow. No way, no one's listening to you. Yeah.
So yeah, the protests were happening. There were about 1,000 people that stormed the Old Trafford field where the United versus Liverpool match was supposed to happen. And so at first they were like, okay, it's delayed. We'll do it after an hour. The match will be postponed by an hour. But then later on it came out just postponed.
And keep in mind, this is like, for football lovers, EPL followers, this is like the
biggest match.
The Ashes or India-Pakistan. Yeah, they wait. I mean, you wait and wait for this. Yeah. So other than LOL, who really makes you happy in bad times like this, that would be something to look forward to. But see,
so it's interesting, right? These Glazers are a problem. Like, if I'm not mistaken, these same guys used to own the Sacramento Kings basketball team.
They owned some basketball team or football team in America.
They were hated over there as well. No, they sold so I think they still own the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe the football team, but I think they also owned the Sacramento Kings basketball team, and they are hated so much that the guy who bought it from them, Indian guy named Vivek Ranadev, he's the guy who bought the team, who owns the Sacramento Kings now. His team has sucked for the last 6 years, and people don't hate him as much as they hate those people.
Wow.
Plus, he's Indian. Who can hate an Indian?
Well, nobody. Of course not.
There's a pause there, though.
Yeah, because...
Say, do you want to come in?
I want to live.
Yeah? You want to cross to Bangladesh? You just go to Calcutta. Yeah.
But also, like, how much... I don't know that much about football. How much power does the fan really have? If the owner says something is to be done...
One thing I'll tell you, the fan stood up about the Super League and shut down everybody. They got scared of the fan.
Yeah.
I don't know whether that'll happen in India.
But then they are saying,
democratic.
this time the fans are saying, Glazers sell off. You guys have to back off and sell off this club. It's no longer yours.
This is just the catalyst at the end. There's a long-standing dispute with the owners, their arrogance, their buying, their spending, the way they behave, whatever. I don't know all the details. My son does. We'll put him on the show one day, but not now because he sleeps till 4 in the evening.
Hey, I got a question for you, and this is a bad place to ask this question because I was asked to ask this to you offline 4 days ago. Okay. Would you like to have your mom on for Mother's Day?
I don't mind, but my mom will... Yeah, I don't mind, but she may take offense, so I'll deal with that. No lunch for 3 days or whatever.
All right, there you go, Antriksh. Can you please...
When is Mother's Day?
I think it's on the 9th.
Every month they have a Mother's Day. Too many bloody mothers in this country anyway. Too many mothers in this country as well.
So there you go. We're also promoting it in advance, right? So everybody should know.
Okay. 9th of May, right? I better warn her so she can.
So 9th of May is actually a Sunday.
Every time I started shooting Insta with her, she wants to do makeup. Like she feels really, I mean, she's an old lady now, but she wants to just, she feels so insecure. And I'm thinking of all the MTV VJs and I'm thinking, oh God, this is coming back to haunt me. Because every time we had to shoot an extra episode, the whole worry was now how long will the female take to get ready? So they say, okay, one more, we'll do one more. Because the guy just puts the shirt on and sits and is ready. And, with you, not to be sexist, said never become a VJ. If you
clearly,
nice
I don't
those
have
girls were, they were lovely. I love all the girls I've worked with. Just waiting for them to change except for the gifted Malaika and Shehnaz. Shehnaz only wore black, so she was like a postman from Bulgaria, a beautiful postman. Just one black shirt, next black shirt, third black shirt, we're all good. But anybody else, we start playing cricket. In between these episodes, all the boys gather around with that small. You remember the small bats with the Coca-Cola
with the signatures?
Yeah. Signatures.
Thumbs up bat with the West Indies signatures.
Yeah, so we got those. And you remember that ball? What's that ball called? That bounce, super ball that bounces. Crazy ball. Try playing. So we were 20 of us in the studio, big studio in Bombay Labs, and we play with that. And the bounces like Perth wicket, and you got this small bat. Great, and we had all kinds of rules. Two bounces out, but one hand. All the rules of Mumbai.
So we had. I remember we used to play crazy ball cricket in our building. We had a rule that you had to let the bounce ball twice.
We have the rule. It's our original rule.
Yeah, okay. Okay, all right. I didn't know that was. I thought
It was
a
passed
rental room.
down.
I did not know that. I thought that we were being very clever. That hey, you got to ball the
Now,
bounce right.
let me tell you about Loveline, the shoot we used to do. Okay, when the shoot starts and we start talking, the guy on the rafter, he goes to sleep. The cameraman is on his phone. The light guy is switched off. The fashion people, the stylists and all have gone into the room to talk and chat. Okay, but the moment we have a break, everybody comes alive. They all come running out. The bat comes out, the ball comes out, the fighting starts. Like, मेरा batting था, तू क्या किया? वो पीछे जाओ, आगे आ गया, front में आ गया. Suddenly there's so much Josh Junoon in the room. And then again, the girl is ready. We go back. Everybody's down on the phone. The guy goes up there. And I'm thinking, oh, there must be something wrong with this picture. Yeah.
Enthusiasm
Yeah.
in
Anyway.
all the right
It's
places.
for cricket, right? Like if you even go to a Maidan, you always stop to watch like a ball
Yeah.
or two.
On the ball or two, for me, I just like to see how Indians, our people, never dress for sport. So they've always got black shoes on, long
Yeah.
trousers. You know, so somebody thinks it's fashionable to wear a full jersey in May, you know, and he's bowling at full tilt. Those things are lovely, but I suppose that's part of the Maidan culture of maybe not just Mumbai. I'm sure it's all over.
Yeah.
Amit and young Silvery have never played in a Maidan as far as I can see.
No, I've played at.
I played at Police Gymkhana.
That's not a Maidan.
You played at Police Gymkhana.
Malbari
yeah.
police when they picked him up. You paid. They let us pay and play also there, no?
No, I used to. I told you right a while back. I used to take coaching classes from Jaya
Ashok Mankad.
Lalit. No, what's the
Jai.
name?
Jayantilal.
Jantilal. Yes, Jantilal.
70-71 Gavaskar tour. He toured West
Yeah,
Indies.
yeah,
Of
correct,
course.
correct. So I used to take coaching classes from him, and he
Very
used to take
sweet
coaching
guy.
classes.
Bombay
at-
Gym drinking
at
partner
police-
of mine in the old days, huh?
Oh really? Wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll tell him the next time I meet him, which I don't meet him.
No, he's great fun. Actually, I know as a coach, they all had that cruise attitude. I know
Yeah.
they make you run and all that nonsense.
Yeah.
But off the field, they're all great guys. These are guys who grew up in 60s and 70s, so they drink, they chat, they make dirty jokes. They're good fun. But so you were a budding cricketer, and the
I
loss to
mean,
cricket is now podcast is gain. It looks like
No. So my brother was always a better cricketer and much more into
he's
cricket.
better at everything than you, Silvery. Is your
Man,
mom listening?
He should be a better podcast producer also. But
But you're the better cook.
well, yeah, that is true. I would say so.
Uh.
I'm sure.
So what were you doing at police
yeah.
gym? Quickly, we have to take a break.
I used to just whatever learn cricket. What do you mean?
Oh, acha. The academy was in police gym.
Academy,
Yeah.
Did you play under lights or not?
To pay a lot for that.
I don't remember.
Yeah, it was expensive.
Yeah, I don't remember.
I think
A lot
normal
of
ball-
nets, just regular nets. on
I
the sides,
remember I had friends who used to play a lot of those Gymkhana matches, or they'd rent a ground at the Gymkhana and play matches on Sundays. And the normal Gymkhana ground was like $8,000. The police Gymkhana was like 35,000. This
Yeah.
was like early
35,
2000s.
no, Baba.
Early 2000s. This was
Now
it must
with
be
lights.
80,
With
90.
Even
lights.
there, we are
Lights.
paying hafta. What the bloody hell?
No, with lights, no, dude, lights versus the cost of lights here.
And
And it's a
proper
small ground. You
was
can really hit
nice.
sixes and all.
Yeah.
But sometimes like famous cricketers would come in, like Ajit Agarkar, I remember
Yeah.
Sanjay Bangar, I remember had come in,
Yeah.
and they used to play. So that used to be like really awe-inspiring. Like, oh, a professional cricketer is coming
How
and playing
so,
in the same
Silvery,
field.
you were close to becoming a decent cricketer, is it?
No, I was not me. My brother was. I was just along, like, acha, theek hai, koi bhej dete saath
So
mein.
what happened after you took
One
the
of those.
coaching? I mean, did you play any under 13s, under 15s, anything?
I never got into any of the teams, any school
School ka
team, nothing I got into.
Giles Shield, Harris Shield.
And my brother got into every school team for cricket, so it was always for him only.
Is this why you smoke up?
I don't, man. I never do.
He doesn't. Ma'am, if you're listening, he doesn't. I
Yeah,
just tease him.
she's definitely listening. Yes.
Yeah, oh God. Yeah. Only an Indian celebrity will bring his mother to the podcast. Now you have yours everywhere, and mine will come next week or something to
Yeah,
join us.
true.
How do we explain to Westerners? They'll be like, we haven't seen our mom since Thanksgiving.
That was your funniest joke, by the way.
What?
Mummy, I want to leave.
Yeah, that was very funny.
That was your funniest
That was
joke.
very,
honestly.
very, very.
I like
funny,
my I like my cock one in the beginning, which I'm telling you, two of them smiled, but they didn't pull them out. Yeah, because I caught them all off
So,
guard.
do you think it got missed? Do you think they missed people who were smiling and they didn't catch
No, I
them?
think
100%.
I think they purposely sort of did not want to end somebody in 1 minute. Yeah. Because we suddenly had, if I think I can say it now, it's all on air. The three went very quickly. So suddenly it looked like the show will end fast. And then nothing. Everybody went into shutdown. Lockdown ho gaya. on the
Right.
sets. And so you don't want to. The best thing is to then avoid the ball as much as possible unless they warn you. That's the best thing to do. I was very worried about Adar. He was making me laugh a lot
Yeah.
because his
His music stuff
sarcastic
was
comments, music, all that was right up my alley.
Yeah.
So he's the kind of guy I really wanted to avoid. And he would always just walk around because nobody's listening to him. So he would always come behind me and just make his comment. I'm like, leave me alone now. Go speak to somebody else. Yeah. Grover also was very funny because he's got a 20% smile all the time on his face. He's got a really wide mouth,
Oh.
like this. So you can't call it. He's like, and I'm always looking at it and saying, little more. Yeah. But yeah.
Should we take a break?
Oh, yes.
a break,
Yes.
yeah.
Let's take a break.
We have an ad
And
read again.
We have,
Cyrus.
of course, we must have. I sure I didn't see it. I've seen it now. Mr. Dudu. Can I call you Dudu?
Yeah, that's everyone calls me that.
They call you Dudu?
Yeah, a
Yeah,
lot of
even in the
people.
chat, people are like, Dudu's here. There'll be a lot of cricket talk today.
It's a cute name. It does sound like boobs, but that's fine. Because see, the recall will always be there, no? Isn't
Yeah.
that good? Like, I think Silvery is better than Antariksh. You will never forget Silvery. Everybody who's worked with us remembers him now.
Yeah.
That is true.
Like the other day, somebody wanted to bring a producer on the show, and I sent you I forget the Disha. Disha sent a link,
Yeah,
Silvery.
yeah.
And then she was when she wrote back, because I said I'll get him to get in touch with you. She wrote, Silvery is not responding. I don't know why. She wrote Silvery. I can send you the message. I can send you the message. So,
Antariksh, that is the ultimate. If you can get a professional nickname,
Yeah.
there is
Wow.
nothing
no,
like it.
so you're thinking there's a correspondence going on, and in her mind, she's not blinked about it. It's just Silvery, straight away. She's
Oh.
not even,
Yeah.
can I say Silvery? And like the Parsi lady who actually asked me, is it okay if I address him as Silvery? So I said, yes. It's a bit late. It's episode 669 or something. I mean, what are we going to do? Silvery, doo-doo. Better than Broach the Cockroach, which is a horrible nickname.
Yeah.
The Cred Mega Jackpot Week has got me way too excited. At which point our guest has to show excitement. Let's see. Say.
Hey.
Every single guest has been so sardonic, it's amazing. From 3 years of free flights to winning a new Tata Safari car, which you see at the IPL matches every single day in different colors. Yesterday, Chris Gayle nearly hit the window of one with a 6. There are tons of prizes to be won. You can even win free iPhones for the next 10 years. 10 years! And then my favorite line, my daughter will never have to go shopping again. Ding! Red Mega Jackpot Week is from 27th April to 3rd May. New jackpots will be received every day and crazy offers from partner brands on specific days. So don't miss out. Just download. Sit.
Cred.
Yeah, super.
Yes. And I'll download it, but I have a debit card, so I don't know what I'm going to do.
We'll work it out.
We'll work it out.
Kunal Bhai is a very good friend.
Okay.
In fact, I just did an ad for the boy band. Did you all see the boy band ad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With three of my favorite cricketers.
Sabah Karim was there.
Sabah Karim is in a little bit.
Maninder
Singh and the two
I wanted
Kannada
to
boys.
plug Sabah Karim because he was there. He's on
Sabah
our show.
Karim who's on our show, of
He was
course.
on our show every morning at 9:15 to talk about the IPL, Khel Niti. Please go check it
He's
out.
a very good choice that you've made because he's an extremely astute man, let me tell you.
He's very
Unfortunately,
smart,
because of
dude.
an injury, he only played one test and a few one-day games.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's
No,
also.
very smart guy. Very smart
But
guy.
coming back to the boy
I've
band-
spoken to him a couple of times. Yeah,
so,
sorry.
So we did a little, I'll send you the promo, the thing that I did, where we have to look at it and sort of, give our feelings. What is the thing where you check things out and
Reaction
and
videos.
the reaction videos. There
Yeah.
you go. See.
Okay.
So we did that. And I must
Oh,
tell
really?
you,
That's
my
interesting.
reaction is not that far from the truth. It's really, I can't believe Venki Prasad is 6'5" alpha male from Karnataka, and then he's winking and kissing. And and Javagal Srinath, one of the greatest Indian fast bowlers of all time. Again, these are real macho men,
Yeah.
I mean, these are the murders of Karnataka. You wouldn't want to mess with them ever. Big fellows. And he's standing there and doing things like this with sunglasses on. And they've got this Simi Garewal white background for everything. It's really hilarious. I love the guy.
I thought it was
And then
great
Maninder
too.
Singh says, you don't know me because he's taken off the pagadi for some reason
Yeah.
and he's unshaven or whatever. So you don't recognize him immediately. But it's such a sad thing that he has to say, you may not know me or something is the line. Whatever. This guy was really phenomenal. One of the greatest left arm spinners for a little while, He's a really talented guy. And then, of course, Sabah Karim is in a bathtub. Nobody explains why. With mountains in the background, snow-capped mountains. And he's playing an imaginary guitar, which I promise you Sabah cannot play. This you can check with him on your podcast. Yeah. So, but I think, again, Ayappa and I think Tanmay are the two creative geniuses behind it.
Yep.
Maybe we'll get a chance too, Amit, on a cred ad, a proper cred ad where we get to behave ridiculously against. Maybe I keep quiet for 10 minutes and you talk about your hatred for electronics. And Celery says, don't do
Chocolate eating.
chocolate eating. Chocolate is bad. Caffeine है उसमें, cocoa है उसमें, cacao. What's it with cocoa and cacao? What's that story? Cacao. Doesn't it sound horrible?
Yeah, it sounds
Make up your mind. Is it cacao? Is it cacao?
It's
cacao. He's
It's
right.
Cacao.
It's an A.
Yeah.
Celery, Google it.
CACAO.
So then what is the pronunciation? Back to Italian. Although this is what?
Cacao.
Portuguese maybe.
I'm pretty sure it's cacao.
See, it is cacao because I've had a lot of salads in life, and with that, like cacao shake, so that there's less sugar.
Okay, whatever you do, don't make fun of cacao in India.
Cacao. I just heard the pronunciation is cacao.
Yeah.
How did you hear?
Cacao.
You heard it?
Yeah.
You played it on audio?
The Google
But I can play it on myself. It doesn't transmit through this.
Yes. It's like God.
What?
God just checks. Ting, tong, ho gaya.
I just went to Google, I checked cacao, and I hit the pronunciation
Say
thing,
it,
and it told
say
me
it, say it, say it, say it slowly.
cacao.
Cacao. So
Cacao.
Sid was right.
Yeah.
My friend from Powai was completely wrong. He sounds like a nice
I was
Parsi
thinking
from
of the
Kushubag.
chocolate.
Arey cacao, cacao,
Yeah, hot
chai.
cocoa.
That's
Cacao,
cocoa.
cacao.
That's cocoa.
But for Indians, it sounds like a dirty word, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No, so like cacao is the thing, right? And then cocoa is what is made from it.
Yeah. Cacao is the OG, like bitter.
It's the
bitter.
plant.
Yeah, and it's bitter if you have it. Like you need.
Yeah.
It's great for protein shakes, by the way.
Note to self: OG is the what I have to use. Is also in the boy band because they were
It
the
is.
OG.
They were the OGs.
Oh, is it original gangster or just original?
Original gangsters. Original gangster. That's what it means.
okay.
1 second. You know more than the kid?
Yeah, because this
Or
is
you're
90s
again playing
slang.
God and pressing buttons and checking it out?
No. This is 90s slang. I know more than they do. 90s
But-
slang,
but-
I know.
But I'll tell you, I've been watching a lot of these Tupac videos and videos about the rappers and all the fighting in East Coast, West Coast.
Yeah.
And OG is used a lot. And that's,
It
like
is.
you said, it's 20 years
It's
old. When did
90s
he die?
slang.
When did he die? Which year did Tupac,
Tupac
get killed?
died in 96, I think,
so
or
it's
97.
just post that. Yeah.
Yeah, no. So OG is even back. It's earlier than that also, right? Because I mean, like you used to refer to Run DMC as the OG gang, or the OG rappers,
Yeah.
right? So I mean, like it's older than that. So I mean, like it's been around since the 90s.
Who's
for
that
sure.
sugar guy who's blamed for his killing and all that? Who's gone to jail now?
Suge Knight.
Suge Knight.
Knight.
Suge Knight, yeah.
Yeah. Did you see the Netflix movie about the Biggie versus Tupac thing?
Oh, so it's
I
also
heard it's
controversy.
It's a great movie.
What is it called? I'll watch it.
I'll find it. I can't remember exactly what it's called.
Now
but
God
it's-
can't make a phone call.
Well, I
Before
can
that,
do
you
it.
can
No,
cut
no,
out in 2 minutes.
I can do this, but it is a great documentary.
Man, I tell you, YouTube is scary, bro. The stuff that you can pick up. And I don't have an interest in rap from a art point of view or anything. But just seeing the underbelly of that world
It's called Unsolved.
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 So Tupac's murder has not been solved in a real sense.
It has not been solved in a real sense. So basically, what this is that about 10 or 15 years after Tupac's murder, the LAPD reopens the case because they feel there's a lot of pressure that it was not investigated properly.
Right.
Not Tupac's murder, sorry, Biggie's murder. Biggie died in Los Angeles.
Who
right?
dies first?
Tupac dies in Vegas, Biggie dies in LA. So for Biggie's murder, they do it. I think so. Tupac dies first, and Biggie's killed in revenge, sort of, kind of, somewhat, maybe.
They both die quite publicly, right? Like on the
Public-
Las Vegas trip or something.
Yeah, so
both
Tupac
of-
dies on the Las Vegas Strip.
There's
Biggie
no
dies somewhere in-
conclusion to who killed them in the end.
So
either.
there is a conclusion to, I think, who killed Tupac. I don't think there's a conclusion to who killed Biggie. Basically, there's a lot of this, right? No, I got that wrong. Sorry, there's a conclusion to who killed Biggie. There is a conclusion to who killed Tupac.
Dudu?
I have no idea about this, but I
You're not
know
into
like
rap?
no, I'm not that much into it.
Hip hop? What kind of music do you listen to?
I like hip hop, but not like I've not followed the '90s stuff. Like I listen to Kendrick Lamar. Like
How
I like
rude.
Kendrick Lamar.
Calling us old. Oh, I'm really old because I don't know what the 90s stuff.
No.
Ouch. Oof.
But yeah, it's morely like I don't know.
But you no interest in the history of all this?
I mean, yeah, I will at some point, but I'd rather watch like history,
Yeah.
Okay,
where
it's not
people
a
are dying
delegation,
and
bro. It's
stuff.
fine.
Yeah.
Honestly, sorry.
No, I just prefer the like.
I'm the other way
history
around. I'm more
die.
fascinated by the history and all the stories than I am about the music.
Yeah.
Same
Which
here.
is odd, But once I get into something, then it's a little obsessive, and I like to see what's happening.
No, same here. I like the history and the mythology around this stuff much more so than the actual music of it.
Fair.
Tupac and Biggie are great, but my rap stuff, the stuff that I used to like was, dude, I like stuff like the Fresh Prince. I like things like
So you're a conservative rapper,
no, I like the fun rap, man. I mean, like, there was all that.
not the hardcore.
The gangster stuff,
Eminem,
right? Like,
Please Stand Up, which my daughter sings just to make me
like Arrested
puke.
Development's one of my favorite albums of all time, right? I mean,
like the show.
it's just a fun it's just a really, really fun kind of rap group, right? It's like funk, rap, all that kind of stuff.
What
mixed
are
in.
you? What are your thoughts then about Baba Sehgal, who gave us Thanda
Baba
Thanda
Sehgal
Pani?
is the best. I mean, like Baba Segal's legend.
Devang
Thanda
Patel
Thanda
also.
Pani.
Huh?
Devang Patel, yes.
Yes.
Top two in my book.
Yes.
Is there a third?
Yeah,
I don't
but-
think India has a third. We've searched high and low. Do we
Yeah,
have?
I mean, like no Divine or anybody like that. They don't
Oh
compare.
no,
No,
Divine,
come
they
on.
sound professional. That's horrible. Don't bring them out. But I want my Thanda Thanda Pani. When you hear title track, maybe Madonna and some man. I mean, what more do you want? Yeah.
Sorry, there was a rap group that was escaping my mind. Tribe Called Quest. Like that was my favorite
What?
rap group from the 90s.
Rap?
A Tribe Called Quest.
A tribe.
But I
called
really want to
Quest.
hear this funk rap that you're talking, funk, hip hop, and stuff. That
Yeah,
sounds-
no. So I mean, like it's all this kind of like Arrested Development. You should give it a listen. They have some really well-known songs too, like Mr. Wendo
Okay.
was one of the songs. They're good. You should definitely check
Yeah.
them out.
Okay. Arrested.
I've written a rap song called Lockdown Blues, but no one is giving me airplay time.
Yep. And then, of course, if you want to talk about 90s rap, then I mean, like the best, of course, is Rage Against the Machine, right? Different
Ah.
than altogether that, but it is
Okay.
rap. There's no way you can call it anything but rap.
And it's not rap with that C in the beginning.
No, it's incredible, man. I mean, like I have always been a huge Rage Against the Machine fan, and that the guitar player they have is probably like a top 5 guitar player of all time. So
Glenn Campbell, number one. Anyway,
Glenn Campbell
stop.
of the Eagles.
No, Glenn Campbell, country
No.
musician.
Oh, okay.
Not of the
Oh
Eagles.
God, no! Please,
Glenn Campbell was a magic. You got to hear him play the guitar.
I will
You
try
have
and
no
do
idea.
this.
You have no idea how good he is.
I'll give it a shot, but
You may not like the music. You won't like the music, but you hear the guitar.
Sabah
So
Kareem
I'm-
is one.
Sabah Kareem second. Sabah Kareem second. And there's proof. Thanks to Craig, we have it forever because that was a side he didn't want to show anyone. I don't know why. It's a rather small guitar. It may be a banjo or a mandolin or something. Because he's in and his elbows are in like a tricep press and he's doing this. Okay, it's not even there. So I think, whatever. I mean, the man's knowledge of music is more than mine. I'm going to get into it. Sabah, you're the show. Sabah, we love you. All right. Shall we go to AMAs? All this nonsense
Let's
about Run DMC and Arrested Development. What's going on? Thanda Pani. What the hell is the second line? Anybody watching can give us the
That's it.
second
Repeat
line
the
of
same
Thanda
line
Pani.
again. That's,
Is it
that's
that?
the whole song.
That's it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Like, please don't go. The world's worst
I
song
don't-
ever.
I don't
Please
know.
don't go. Don't go. Please don't go. Don't go. Please don't go. I mean, how long did they take to write that? 6 seconds? 7? Wow.
All right.
But no, wait, there's another part to that. Don't go away.
Yeah, don't
It's not
go
just
away.
please. There's a don't go away part.
Isn't
to
this
that
from
as
our
well.
generation which would play on the parties? I hated
This
that
was
song.
this was a nightclub
90s,
song in the
right?
mid 90s. Yes.
Oh, very painful, very painful. And I hate the people who do, people react to songs they like. So they, then they run off.
Oh yeah, no, this was the song that people used to get up and jump and start dancing on.
Yeah.
It was the easiest song in the world to dance for, now because everybody knows the lyrics. So you
Everyone
can
knows
just
the
jump
lyrics.
around and
All
go,
the
please
lazy
don't
Kunal
go.
Vijayakars who will never learn lines would be like, I know this one. I just keep saying, don't go at different times. Don't go, please don't go, don't go. God, what a terrible song. That and Alice. Alice shows you how lazy urban
No,
Indians
but
are.
Alice was a bus song.
No, but the thing about Alice is that everybody only knows the two lines.
Yeah.
Nobody sings Sally call, da da da. Nobody knows all that. They only
That
know,
is true.
I don't know what's who the fuck is that? That's the only thing they know. And for that they get excited. Huh? Oh, Baya, let's go. And this is one line. It's one line.
That is
They feel
true.
really happy after saying the F word. And everyone looks at each other and smiles. Who the fuck is that? I'm so bad. I'm on Run DMC.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Cied, TheWholeTruthFoods.com, and PayPal. We really appreciate your support. So this week on Cyrus Says, Cyrus had some interesting guests. Gayaz Irani was on to talk about his new Netflix film. And Mayur Tekchandani has made a new coffee table book about the city of Mumbai, which he came to discuss on the show. On the Wire Talk, Siddharth Bhatia was joined by Dr. Ali Khan Mahmoodabad to talk about the Muslim community's issues during these thorny times. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor is joined by Sonia Jas to talk about the importance of fitness and why this is a great time to begin a journey to good health. The Simplified Gang has reunited and they discuss the hue and cry around the European Super League that was eventually just dropped after 2 days. On Shunya One, Sheila and I are talking to Gurubat from PayPal India. We talk about fintech, the future of digital payments, and a whole lot more. Really deep and interesting conversation about PayPal, its plans in India, and what kind of hiring they're looking to do. On The Millennial Athlete, Tanvi and Shlok were joined by sport and performance psychologist Dr. Sri Advani to talk about mental health for young sports stars. And I just want to again mention some of our cricket shows. The IPL season is on, and you should definitely check out Edges and Sledges. And we also have a Hindi show called Khel Niti. Do check that out as well. And with that, let me get you back to your show.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
All right, let's get to the AMAs.
Well, we were going to go to the AMAs.
All right,
I think
let's
we
get to the
should.
AMAs. Yep.
This
We
Dudu
have
has
some
come
great
and just
questions.
destroyed us. Hey,
Yeah,
Dudu,
so
what's the story with the hair, bro? You didn't explain that. And Amit was not being,
No, it was shocking, right? I
combative.
mean, yeah, no.
Because-
The video opened and I saw his hair like this, and it was like, whoa, what's that?
It's also
This-
because I just woke up right on time for this, so I've not had time to groom
Hey,
or
Amit,
anything.
what he's trying to tell us nicely is that when you can flaunt it, okay, we don't have that option.
I'm losing it all from here, but yeah,
There's not a trace of hair loss.
there's quite a lot.
No, you don't have a bald spot. How old are you?
28, but it's thinning right.
You know,
Hey,
if
same,
you're
man.
if you're on
Same,
my
same.
line,
I know the thing.
when it starts thinning in the ball, you can ask Amit this. They're so clinical about it when they're lighting you and all that. They'll be like, "Oh, dekh sakta hai, wo spot dekh sakta hai sar pe." The first time you hear it, it's like cold fear because they don't say it with any sensitivity. It's worse than Mumbai Police. They just, and then the guy will come and put topic on your head. The first time they did that, I was, "What are you doing?" He said, "No, usko hide karne ka na." And he covering my eyes so I don't get it in my eyes. I said, "What about my heart and soul? That's where it's gone. Not in my bloody eyes." The first time it's very humiliating because your sense of age happens immediately.
Yeah.
Ooh. Then of course now I tell them topic.
What's it called? Topic.
So the cheap shoots. If you guys do better in life, go beyond me, you'll do very well. Then they'll give you much better stuff. Then somebody will do your makeup properly, so no one will know. The big stars, nobody knows, or they think nobody knows. So when they come on, it's done. For the cheaper one, it's like powder. Yuk jao, tak, chalo, take it. Literally like that. AMA time, please, guys.
All right, AMA. Let's get to the first question. Comes in from Akshay K. He says, Saurabh Pant in his live stream Saturday with News Laundry was promoting Cyrus Says show. Any message you want to give to him and any plan of getting him back on the show? So we will
After
definitely get him back on the
abusing
show.
him so much, I feel terrible. Really. I mean, honestly, I don't know what to say. I apologize, Saurabh. Because every time I've been with Saurabh performance a couple of times in corporate shows, he's been screaming and shouting like he's a Bengali politician, within 5 minutes. So I was like, what's going on? And then he's ranting about some airline or something, But he's a sport. He's a great guy. We love him. And thank you, Saurabh, for being so melodramatic on the air. Maybe meant something else. Sometimes you just say the wrong name because it's in your head. Who knows?
All right.
I think
Next
after
one.
years of being heckled and bullied and abused, I just don't take praise well. I've never taken praise well. I'm more comfortable with people telling me something sarcastic or stupid, So if somebody actually says things like, I follow your show and all, I don't know how to respond, frankly. I'm almost like appalled and disappointed in them. I don't know. I really don't know what to do. Sorry, Silvery.
All right. Next one comes in from Amulya. He or she could be either. Asks AMA for Cyrus, what is
Male.
the worst? Amulya,
it
can
male?
you? I think it's male, but it could be female also, no? Amulya. It's like I'm just assuming. Okay, this person has asked.
Hey, Dudu's
Amulya.
waking up. He'll redo the show.
Yeah. AMA for Cyrus, what is the worst thing you have seen an Indian do abroad that made you feel embarrassed or made you cringe?
Well,
I have one.
yeah, please.
So this is again my brother. we were in Singapore, like when we were like kids. I was like maybe 10, 12 years old. I remember my brother used to hate getting his nails cut. So my mother is in the middle of the road cutting my brother's nails in Singapore, where there's just super clean. The roads are like you can't see a speck of dirt. And my brother's getting his nails cut, which is very...
I also have one.
Please.
I was at Niagara Falls on that.
Oh, wow.
Comparing.
No, not on Niagara Falls, that boat that takes you really close to the falls.
Hey, don't be mean. There are a lot of people who haven't gone beyond Pune. What the fuck? You're telling everybody like everybody's going up and down to Canada and back or America or border, where the hell it is.
No, but abroad, right? So I can't give a Pune story. I mean, Indians embarrassing themselves in India is anyway, we know what that
Every
is.
5 minutes. Yeah, correct. Good point.
But I had one. So I was in that boat and there was like some Gujarati couple next to me, and suddenly once we went close, they just started shouting, "Oh, dekho, swarg se aaya hai, doodh ka pani," and all of that. Dude, I was like, "What is?" I just moved. Swarg se.
I've got two also
Yeah.
equally ugly stories. One is, I hope my wife doesn't watch the podcast. We had just got married and gone for the honeymoon, and being a generous person, she was working on Karan Johar's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham as a photographer. So she got a free ticket to London and where they were camped. So I had to only pay for myself, and then we took the Euro to Paris for our so-called honeymoon, 5 days in El Dorado, cheapest motel ever. You have a Spanish-sounding name, a Mexican-sounding name in Paris, you know you're in the wrong place. Anyway. I'll come to that later. But we were on a bus doing this tour, looking at the Seine and all these things. And an Indian couple came, recognized me, and they came up. And remember, there were no selfies in 2001,
Yeah.
really. So they had the old-fashioned camera. So then the guy wanted the lady. Of course, the man wants the picture. The lady didn't want anything to do with me. So she took the picture, and he came and sat between two of us. And I swear to God, you know what he did? He pulled his cock.
What?
He just adjusted himself.
Oh.
He's sitting between us and he's saying, okay, ready. And he adjusted himself. And both of us looked at each other. I was like, what? Why? But no idea that he did it. It was like a reflex thing that happened. That was really bad.
Yeah.
Second worst story for me was in Kenya, and I love animals. I was so excited to go and see these things, get up early in the morning, you see animals in the wild, and then we finally see a lion kill. It just had happened, lionesses actually, and they're standing over the kill of a deer. And it really makes your hair stand up because there's a lot of, I haven't seen it like that. And we're very close, just 30, 40 feet away on top of a Jeep. And watching, and the next Jeep that comes, because now word gets out, so 3, 4 Jeeps come. And an Indian kid, of course, straight from Delhi, Papa. Papa already bored, he can't stand animals. Papa, tiger. Fundamental point, you moron, animal lover coming on a bloody safari. There are freaking tigers in the bloody African continent. Oh. I remember it made poor Kunal, who doesn't like animals enough and was bored stiff and couldn't stand, and he couldn't mount those jeeps. Okay, so because there's big steps to climb and all that, he hated the whole thing. That was the only time I saw him happy. He just went back laughing because nothing makes you happier than an ignorant Indian. Just makes you feel that brotherhood is there immediately. Yeah.
All right, I'll give you all the story. You all have described individuals who have been embarrassing.
Yeah.
I will describe our culture as being inscribed this.
You're not in Calcutta. Be very careful what you say.
No. So I'm coming back from. So there's a direct flight from Newark to Bombay. So I'm coming back. This was maybe 6-7 years ago, and they start to announce boarding. About 30 seconds into it, the guy at the gate is like, "Everybody, please board as requested. We are not going anywhere without you. There is no reason to rush.
Wow.
Please take your time. Please board as we call your rows." Because as soon as he said we are announcing boarding, everybody just attacked the lines, right? And he had to say this 3 times. We're not leaving without you. And I don't understand I don't understand people around this. It's a direct flight to Bombay, right? So it's not like you have to worry about placing your baggage or anything like that because it's coming with you. There's no way it's not coming with you. It was just the most and you're in the middle of, it's a Bombay to New York flight. So it's not even like, there is any kind of ambiguity about who the people are. And you're in the middle of all these other gates where people are looking at you and they're all looking, right? Why is this guy having to say that we're not leaving the flight without you? It was just it was one of the
But it speaks of our entire social fabric that we feel so much fear at being left out because it's overcrowded or whatever the reasons are, that everywhere we rush. When there's a queue formation, it's a rush thing in India. for some reason. It's like we have to get there first or we won't get it.
Well,
Probably
that's the
there's-
fear.
Someone has to trace that, why
But
that
the second
happens.
the flight lands, also, right? The same thing. The second
Yeah,
the
to
flight
get
lands,
out, to
everyone
get
just
out.
gets
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
There's no hurry. You will all get out around.
Now, if you
You're not
wanna-
going out.
We don't.
Flight's
We
not-
don't. Yeah, we don't trust the system essentially.
That's
But if you're
exactly
the
it,
only
right?
Indian guy on a Finland to Mumbai flight, and you won't behave badly. Everybody will go at a slower pace and just
But you know
exit
what,
properly.
Cyrus? I think your behavior will not be caught.
Maybe not.
Because I have been so I was on a flight from Frankfurt to Orlando, which is not a typical route that Indian people would try. And it was because I had to go for a specific thing to Orlando itself, which is why I took that flight, right?
Basketball.
And no, not basketball. It was a podcasting conference.
Oh.
But
AKA basketball, NBA match.
but the thing is that I did see I saw this behavior. I continued to see this behavior a little bit, right? That where the
Pushing and coming to the front,
coming to
rushing
the front, getting up as
end of
soon as the
beginning of the
flight
line.
is. Yeah, flight is landed. It's not even like seatbelt sign is not off yet,
Also,
and people are getting up to get their bags, their
This is,
carry-ons
this is
on.
where the pandemic is a positive thing for us.
Oh.
We are the only people who touch. So when you get into a line, it has you, let me get as close to your bum as possible. I have been, butt humped so many times I can't tell you. We just, no other culture will actually touch you. But we just, boom, boom, like an accordion, it just goes boom. Oh, someone, maybe after the pandemic, it will change. I doubt it. I'm sure
Yep.
things are okay. We're back in that line, pushing. Sidhu, what are you drinking?
Water.
Okay.
What? Why are you
Is that your
surprised,
first
Cyrus?
meal?
Yeah, I've not had a meal yet. I'll have it at 12.
Intermittent fasting?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I've been doing that for a while now.
Well, you want to lose weight?
No, it's just like better. Like
It's a weight loss thing. It's a very good weight loss thing, but it's not good. It doesn't keep you robust.
I like the energy level. I have good energy levels when I do it. So
That's what they say.
It depends on when you stop eating at night, right? I mean, like if you do an intermittent fasting thing where you stop eating like an hour before you go to bed,
yeah.
that doesn't work.
Yeah.
The point of this whole thing is to cut
3-4
food
hours before.
at least
Okay.
if you are like
Yeah,
multiple
yeah,
hours
yeah.
for you.
I don't have a problem. I cut it at like 8 o'clock.
But do you have a weight problem? I can't remember you being fat.
I was like fat. I was like 20 kilos extra. Then I lost all of it. Yeah. Now I'm at my lowest so far.
What is your lowest?
74. So I was
Don't go
like,
lower than that. Men should look like men.
yeah, I mean, I'll try to gain some muscle mass now. That's the plan.
A fat man is more pleasant to look at than a thin man. A thin man just looks horrible. Never be that. Amit, back to you.
Okay.
No, that was not a subtle dig. Sorry, Selvi, back to you.
Nothing
back to
subtle
you.
about it.
All right. This one is quite interesting. This question comes in from Tarun Kaushik. He asks, did the BJP taunt Mamata Banerjee too much? The way Jai Shri Ram became a war cry, or the slogans like Do Mai Didi Gai was unnecessary and too personal. And also Didi Oh Didi was creepy as hell. What do you think?
On one side, I'm okay with all this because I love political, the fight. It's like a cricket match, a football match on the ground, on the field. Let them go for it. It's all fun. What I would like is them to, acknowledge at the end, like you shake hands and get on with it, which he's vaguely done, somewhat. Congratulate her towards the end. So I guess it's okay. All's fair in love, war, and politics. What do you feel, Dudu?
I mean, what else will the BJP do if not like
The sledging. Is the sledging okay? That's what he's asking.
I
think
mean,
the question
I
is
don't
below the
think-
belt. Is it below the belt?
Ideally not, because I read about this other form of democracy, which is called ranked choice voting, which I think if we apply it in India, where it's not about you voting for the one person, it's about you voting for a bunch of people. So all the campaigns suddenly become a little better, where you're not like abusing the other person, because it's like you give a 4-5 people this thing, and then they take an average of that, and that's when something happens. So
It's almost like,
I would agree. I think ranked choice voting is great for democracies where actual policy is what's being debated.
yeah,
I don't think in our democracy policy is being debated.
we are
still
rather
at the
to-
point
Hmm.
where we are debating corruption.
Yeah.
Okay, you are the
Oh.
bigger thief than I am.
I have another end to it. I think we're just in our DNA, there's too much psychophancy. And because of that, we just want stars and we want to worship. There's a
Yeah.
godlike need. A need to have godlike
And we
positions for
want it
these
to be
people.
dirty. Otherwise, there's no point. Like, otherwise, there's no TR.
No, that's their style. They like to sledge.
Yeah.
I don't mind a good sledge. I think where do you draw the line is the question. You don't want to polarize communities and cause hatred and all that. I don't mind a few digs. I think a few
But
little
gigs
bad
are
political
fine
bad
as long as
not
you're
good.
talking about like something more with it. like about development.
But see, that's just it, right? They don't,
No,
right?
but the
None
word
of-
Vikas is never far away. What are you saying?
I mean,
No, but
you're
they use
talking
the-
like sledging. It's like not playing any cricket, but just going on the field to sledge. Like you still have to play
Yeah.
cricket, right? Like
Okay, that's a nicely put actually.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is they can't back it up with the sport.
Yeah.
That's me in a nutshell. I was the best sledger in my team. Couldn't bat to save my life. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no, but again, I think the thing is that the Indian political debate is kind of, it's not there, right? I mean, like, at least not in the not mass politics, right? I mean, like, you might have think tanks debating with each other,
Yeah.
or like, your intellectuals debating with ours, but on a mass level, we don't talk about policy. We just talk about like the other group is a thief.
Yeah.
They are
Yeah, it's
are
very
basically-
generic. The specifics
Yeah.
are always skirted around a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you go into a mandir issue, or you go into a pandemic issue, which actually is not really the issue in terms of longevity and permanence in that state.
And I agree with
Yeah.
Amit, because like India is like so corrupt that we named a show Scam 92, so that it's clear that don't mix it up with other scams.
Yeah,
The one-
yeah. Super. Yeah, even a number. But I like what I mean by political banter is like, Lady Astor and Churchill, for example. She used to try to bait him in Parliament all the time, and she would say things like, if I was your wife, I'd poison your tea, and he, his return was, and if I was your husband, I'd drink it. And everybody started laughing. So I mean, I just like that. So if there was more banter and they let them pull their punches a little bit or not, I think that would be healthy. But I don't know whether in our culture that happens without people getting really personal, mean,
Yeah.
malicious. There's a line between sporty mean and really mean.
Yeah.
And I think you have to be slightly enlightened to do that. Because it's the same reason why when you're on traffic and you make a comment to a driver who's cut you or whatever, you're trying to be slightly funny mean, and that guy's return is teri maan ki chut or something, which is really clearly not a
Yeah.
joke.
Yeah.
It's like roasting. It's like the roast jokes.
Yeah.
They have to
But
be
even
a
the
good
roasting,
roast
the
jokes.
ones which are on the line are good. The
Yeah,
they just
exactly.
insult non-stop, then it's just
Yeah.
insult.
It's an insult. Yeah.
Yeah, which I get at home anyway. So why would I go out to get roasted?
Okay, there is a very funny topic discussion. Sorry, a topic suggestion from Sid DA. Sid DA has been suggesting topics to us for like the last few
Okay.
weeks, so which is always
So
fun.
Sid DA is so close to Sid DU here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is, man. Yeah.
Maybe he's got better hair.
It's not thinning.
Yeah.
So Sid Dadeja is his name. Sid DA asked, funny topic he suggested is dozens of people in Taiwan have changed their names to Salmon to take advantage of a restaurant sushi promotion deal. So I just looked this up. The thing is, in Taiwan, there is this restaurant which has said that anyone with the name sushi or the Taiwanese word for that word for sushi on their ID, on their personal ID, can get free sushi for themselves and 5 others.
Wow.
Like all, I think it's like all
I
you
would
can eat
do it
kind
in
of
a
thing.
heartbeat. Except
Yeah,
I
so
don't like
exactly.
sushi.
So more dozens of people have been changing their name, and authorities are like, dude, this is like a waste of our time. Government shouldn't have to do this. But
I
people
don't
are-
want to
so
go to the
some names. Sorry, some names the people have changed their names to are like names like Salmon Prince, Meteor Salmon King, or Salmon Fried Rice, among others.
Okay, I think it's salmon and not salmon. Salmon is the Arabic name. Famous Indian actor as well.
Yeah, Salmon
Rushdie.
the ship. Sorry, sorry.
The
The
L
fish,
is silent.
The fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a cacao.
Yeah.
There's some things I do know. I don't know everything. But would you do it, Amit? No, one second. Not sushi. Your favorite ever, maybe Chinese. Whatever is your favorite cuisine?
No.
Indian, whatever it is.
No.
You wouldn't do it. I would be tempted. If you give me free food, let's
Yeah.
say it's a butter chicken for life from Gaylord's, one of my favorites, or Ling's, Chinese or whatever, I may do it. I don't know.
Change
the
your
hell is
name?
What's the big deal in the bloody name?
You'll have to
I'm
go
getting-
and change it on your Aadhaar card. That's the big deal. Like,
I would love to go and give my vote. My name is Lings. That's with an S. Because Ling means something else. You don't want trouble. They'll be like, do you have any ID? I'll say, yeah, pan.
So the article ends with it going. Officials also issued a reminder that names can only be changed legally 3 times. So be careful. They were like, don't go just
Now
change
they're
your
That's
name
not
willy-nilly.
on. You should be able to change your name every day if it's a democracy. What's the big deal? Yeah.
There are so many
because it's
things that
very
have changed.
easy. No, because
Let me tell
it's-
you, Tamil Nadu
No,
has a new chief.
it's a fraud issue.
Hmm.
It is a fraud issue, right? I mean, like you keep changing your name every couple of weeks.
And don't make payments on the old
and
name.
don't make payments on the old name.
I love the
It is a-
idea. Let me write this down. This is something I got to look at this. This is great stuff. I'm trying to buy a phone right now, for example. Vikas Kumar buying that phone and not paying it. Who cares? Because there's about 1 million of them and I'm not them. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, no, I mean, like there is a reason for it. This was a I remember that when I had gone to get my driver's license for the first time, they told me that you'll not, if you want to change your name, there is this in India, like there are these problems that you can't change your name and this and that. So get it right.
Speaking of names for a second, just imagine that Tamil Nadu will have a new chief minister, DMK winning. I think it's more or less confirmed now. And his name is Stalin. But in Russia, there's nobody called Stalin who will be in parliament. Just, not going to happen. It's not going to happen.
So, yeah, honestly, I mean, like, that's a name that probably you should change.
Oh, be careful.
No.
Be careful, bro.
Whoa.
Now he's the boss
Listen,
for 5 years. Show respect.
He is the boss.
That's his
fine.
choice.
But, well, I mean, like,
What do you
no,
think?
it's
It's like
not his
Adolf.
choice. It was his parents' choice.
So,
I
so
mean,
you
like,
know
his
the
parents made
fact
the
that-
choice at a time when India and Russia were allies in a way where we didn't know what the history of Stalin was or what he actually wound up doing in that country. Right? When things opened up and you
Or
found out,
You're a fan.
that is
Okay.
possible.
Yeah, Amit.
In the
Yeah,
Indian- yeah, that
there's
is
also
possible.
that. Never say no to that.
That is
Like-
true.
Like I think the name Adolf in Europe disappeared after our friend
Mhm.
was shot himself or
Yeah.
whatever the hell happened to him in the end. So that for 2 generations, but slightly come back now. And we had this discussion, I think, about Dolph Lundgren, the actor,
Dolph.
and whether
Yeah.
he's taken the A out, because I can't believe Dolph is the name. It is Adolf, and they've just taken the A out because
Yeah, I can.
Have you
see
guys
that.
heard of something called Operation Paperclip? Amit, you might be
This
aware.
sounds like something I've heard
So-
of, but I can't remember
So
what it was.
after
sounds like my
World War
budget.
II, so after World War II, all these Nazi scientists were there, right? Who were actual
Yeah.
Nazi
Yeah,
scientists.
yeah.
So America and Russia,
Took
they
them in,
divided
took
up the
them in.
scientists and
Yeah.
took them in.
Yeah.
And the American side of this operation
So they
was called
could use
Operation
them.
Paperclip.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they could use them. So like the first rocket that made it to moon,
Yeah.
Neil Armstrong was made
Yeah,
on
because
basically
of-
Nazi technology.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Or
they
like from
did
those
great
rock- from
technology.
those
They had
scientists.
given up their Nazi ways now. They wanted
That's
to
what they say.
survive.
That's what they say. But
I
they
mean,
were very
deep down
evil
what they were,
people.
who knows?
Some of them were convicted for
Isn't that
war
story,
against
uh,
humanity.
So
Al
that-
Pacino's
that's-
story that we all saw on Netflix or whatever, Amazon.
Which
Which
one?
one?
The one about these
Oh yeah,
neo-Nazis,
the Nazi hunter story.
the Nazi hunter story.
Oh,
Exactly.
what's
yeah.
the show? This sounds
It's a
It's
movie,
quite-
I think.
Fascinating because a lot of them in both settling in South America and being protected by the government in North America and Russia.
Oh yeah, I read one book
prospered.
called Mozart, how they captured, I think Adolf, that Eichmann or something.
Eichmann.
Yeah. Eichmann, the Butcher of Leons. I used to call my wife that because I used to call her Ike instead of, because everybody used to call her Aish. So I started calling her Ike. Then when she started beating me more and more, I said, okay, I'm going to make this Eichmann, Butcher of Leons. She didn't get it in the beginning. She had no idea what I was saying. It was disgusting. Comment.
Okay. Before
Nobody
we end,
on this podcast tells my wife anything, okay? She's already angry. And by
before,
next week, my mother too.
So I think that's the end of the episode, though.
Yeah,
Just
please,
before we
yeah.
end, just a reminder to everyone to please like the stream and please tell your friends that we are live streaming every morning at 10 a.m. That'll be a great help. Thanks
And
so much,
if
guys.
you're not listening or if you're not watching over here, then go and listen and subscribe on like a podcasting app. That's also, all the audio also comes out.
And you can
You need
watch
to-
Amazon's LOL, Hase to Fase.
Yes,
It's a
please
great
do that.
saga about love, betrayal, mistrust,
And Nazi
sex,
hunters.
and Nazi hunters who are rediscovered in Patna, if you please.
Rija, anything you need to plug?
I'll be doing a Zoom show on the 15th. I'll be posting it on my Instagram. So yeah, please come.
So plug your Instagram.
my
I think you should do a live hair combing session.
Oh yeah.
I will tune in.
I haven't combed my
Judeja
hair.
with a comb. Ladies and gentlemen, 5 minutes of pleasure. We'll play Run DMC or Arrested Development, whatever he wants in the background. Will Smith's, that thing from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, which my daughter can sing live. And you just do this with your hair for 5 minutes. See if we can get a new look.
Yeah, I'll definitely try that.
Hey, let's do it on a show. Are you willing?
Yeah, I mean, I've not combed my hair in I don't know how many years. But
And why should you?
Yeah, I don't really. Yeah.
There's no point.
Yeah, but you can follow me on Instagram at Siddharth Dudeja. And yeah, I'll be posting about my shows, Zoom show, so come join.
And that Virat Kohli awards function that we were supposed to do together last year and got cancelled this year
Yeah.
again because of the...
Oh shit.
yeah. So let's hope we're third time lucky.
Yeah.
You know, or maybe there'll be something
Wait, what
else.
is this? What is this?
We were working on a show. Virat Kohli's foundation has this huge non-cricket award show,
Indian
which
sports
last
honors.
March was. I had the Legends. I had this. I had Amazon was on March. The show that's now out. So we were packed. And Sid and I were working on something, some act that we were supposed to do in the middle of this show. Blah blah blah. It's a very high-profile show with very big names.
Yeah.
Not just cricketers who would attend because he's Virat Kohli, but everybody from politicians to business. You can just think about Mr. Kohli calls you, you're going to come, right? So it was a really big show, and we were all quite excited about it and all. And just 2 days before. saw. Carl Lewis, who was supposed to attend, he basically called up from Houston or wherever and said he will not be coming to India because of this breaking out of this whatever, and we all laughed at him.
Yeah.
24 hours later, they canceled the show because one by one, people, it happened very quickly, if you guys remember.
Yeah.
Within 1 or 2 days, it all shut down. Boom, 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 boom.
It was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 13th of March was the day when things started getting really, really real. By 17th, we shut our office.
I think our show was on the 6th, and I think I met Cyrus first or second, and then the next day or something they cancelled it, like 2 days before the show.
6th of March or 6th of April?
6th of March. Yeah.
Really? They cancelled it that early?
Yeah, because it's very high profile, right?
No, but even in the US, the day where the US considers where it was considered in the US that COVID came out, right, was the 12th or 13th of March, because 2 or 3 things happened. Tom Hanks tested positive that day. Then there was the NBA player who tested positive, because of which the NBA shut down completely, and there was one third thing as well. 3 things happened on that day, which is like
Donald
overnight,
Trump
like, oh
tested
wow,
negative.
this is real.
Yeah.
Oh no, but I don't know how but this particular show,
No, it was closer to the date because the guy refused to board the plane, so he's right.
Yeah.
The shit hit the fan there first because their fear was a little more than ours. And then other people, Virat himself made a call because people said it'll be insensitive. This thing is happening. We'll just push it. Because as usual, nobody knew how long it would take.
Yeah.
The idea was to push it. We'll get back to you with a date and all that. So we all thought April, everything will be fine. Well, it's April of the next year and now May and blah, blah, blah. So with this positive news, I'm going because I have to walk dogs and in fear, because if a police van comes with a PA screaming in my ear telling me, wow, I'm a notorious criminal, I have to deal with that. So wish me luck, guys.
Notorious CIY or CYR or whatever. I couldn't make it work. That's okay.
Yeah, and you think they can spell? Come on. Okay, bye, Dudu.
Bye.
Silvery, Amit. Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In, or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. हाय, आई एम सदफ
एंड आई एम अर्शिद. खाने का इतिहास, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिसी, साइकोलॉजी सब है मेन्यू पे.
ओनली ऑन द नानकारी पॉडकास्ट एवरी वेडनेसडे, सिर्फ IVM पॉडकास्ट ऐप या वेबसाइट पर, या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.
Or simply a sports enthusiast, join us, Tanvi and Shlok.
We are 2 passionate pro badminton players talking policy, mindset and everything sport.
So tune in to the Millennial Athlete every Monday.
Only on the IVM Podcast Network.
Trust us, it's gonna be lit.